Hello friends, today we're going to draw Mabel from Gravity Falls. Let's begin. First, let's draw her round eyes. In the center of the eyes, add pupils and eyelashes. Let's move on to her eyebrows. Let's add a big smile to her face. Now let's draw her hair. Add a curve to complete her face. Draw another big curve for her hair. Add a hairband. Don't forget the other ear. Let's add her neck. Add more details to her sweater. Draw two curved lines for her sweater. Connect the lines at the bottom. Add two arms on each side. Add two curves on both sides for her arms. We don't need to draw her hands. That's why I like her pose. Let's move on to her skirt. Add 4 straight lines for her legs. This is a typical way to draw her feet. Let's add details to her socks and shoes. Let's continue drawing her hair. She has very long hair. I like the curves of her hair. Now we have finished drawing Mabel. Let's color it in. You can design her sweater in your own way. or change the color of her skirt, or pick another color for her shoes. Of course, you can choose whatever hair color you like.
Hooray!
We've done drawing Mabel. We hope you had fun drawing with us. Don't forget to like this video. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.